In this lesson, we're going to manipulate the text in the Characters panel with the tracking setting, and then transform the text to make the text taller. I'm going to delete the new type layer by dragging it to the trash can at the bottom of the Layers panel, and convert this text to Arial Regular, and then click on the Move tool. Now it's time to play with the text. Let's go to the Character panel, and what I want to do first is I want to put more space between the letters. That's called tracking, when you put more space between the letters. In the Character panel, this icon right here, VA, you'll see that it says Set Tracking. If we click on that and scrub it to the left, watch what happens with the letters. If we scrub it to the right, watch what happens to the letters. That's what I want to do. I want to put some space between the letters. The next thing I'm going to do is transform the letters to be taller. I'll do Command T to transform. If I click on the middle square and drag it down, it will make the whole word bigger. But if I click on that square in the middle and press the Shift key at the same time, we can drag the text down to make it taller, and then press Return. With the Move tool selected, you can press the up arrow key to get it into the right area. You could press the left arrow key to make it go left, or the right arrow key to make it go right. Put the text where you think the middle of the document is. Let's save the document. File, Save As, find the folder that you're putting your work in, and name the file your last name underscore, your first name underscore, and then whatever the assignment number is. I'm going to write magazine here for now. Make sure the format is Photoshop and the extension PSD is right here, and then click Save. This lesson will continue in the next video.